Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is a really exciting day because I purchased the new Wet n Wild Flights of Fancy collection, and I've yet to purchase one of these collections online, which you can. I will leave the links below if you would like to. And so I got this in the mail a couple days ago, and I was like, I have to make a video about this because I want to show you guys what's in the box, and I'm going to use the products, what I have, and finish up my makeup. So if you're excited about this video, please get a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe down below so that way you won't miss out on any other fun videos like this one. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get right into the video. So when you open up the box, it looks like this. It is just stunning. Absolutely stunning. I was like in awe when I opened this because the packaging is just beautiful. The layout is really nice. They have, I don't know. I just saw how they had the blushes on this side and then the eye palettes up here and all lip products down here. I thought it was just really nice. I mean, it's the first time purchasing one of these, and it's very affordable, and that's why I decided to get the collection, because I liked every single item in this collection, and that's why I wanted to get the entire collection instead of purchasing everything individually. So I am going to use the blushes and the eye products and kind of swatch some of them and go ahead and finish up my eyes. And I didn't put any blush on today, so I'll go ahead and apply some of that. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom you guys on in and we'll get started. Okay y'all, so I've gotten you real zoomed in now so we can all be all close and comfortable. So I'm going to go ahead and apply some blush to my face. I can't talk now. To my face, and we're going to finish up the eyes, and I've decided to use the Hasta La Costa palette, which is, I can open this. This is what it looks like. I think it's just beautiful. And I'm going to use this really pretty, like, peachy blush. It's called Hummingbird Hype. So that's what it looks like. So let me see. I'm just gonna grab this brush. Apply some of that. I do like this just because, like, I don't know, I feel like it just adds some sheen to the cheeks, a little bit of color. It almost could work as a highlight. So I'm just going to go in with a little bit of the other blush called, let's see. Okay, Dare to Soar. It is a very hot pink shade. Now, some people might be like half scared to use this, but I'm going to go for it. I think it's pretty. I like it. I'm going to go ahead and swatch these two just for funsies, because that way you guys will just know. I'm gonna, alright. Sorry, this might take a sec. And also, I'm sorry if you can see some like redness on my skin. I was outside all day today and I got very sunburnt. So these are the shades. I hope you guys can see that. I think they're just absolutely stunning. Maybe you'll be able to see it better that way. Alrighty, so I'm just gonna go ahead and dive on in and start doing my eyes now. This video might be a little long. I hope not. Anyways, so I love how they have the colors like actually labeled like into the eyeshadow palettes. That way you know exactly what to use. So I'm just going to go in with the transition shade that they have and apply that all over to my lid. I like this color a lot, actually. It's just a nice taupey color. And I am using this double angle Luxie brush. It's a 249. So I'm just using this real fluffy side to put on that transition shade. And then I'm going to use the other side of the brush and start working that crease color, which is the real purple one, into my crease. We're going to see what kind of look we can create here. I should have pulled my bangs back. Okay, well this is interesting. Like, it's not as dark as I thought it was gonna be. And not as, like, it's pigmented, but it's not like, oh bam, pigmented, you know? You know the difference? I should have pulled my bangs back. So I'm just using this angled part of the brush, which is really good to work the color into your crease because it's meant to do that, so it's gonna work good. I'm just working this all into your crease. It's kind of giving it like a smoky eye effect, which I really like that. And I've kind of learned whenever I go to do my crease, if I like look up, it will define that crease even more. Alrighty, now I'm going to just take my finger and pack on that eyelid shade. I really wish these were like named. I think that would be so cool if they would actually go ahead and name the shades. So my lights are on a clapper, as you all can tell. Anyways, so I'm just using my finger and packing this all onto the lid. And it's actually really a pretty color. So it has decided to storm all of a sudden right when I sat down and decided to film this video. And I'm hoping and praying the power does not go out. If it does, it's gonna be bad. I'm gonna be left with the flash. Alrighty, so then I'm going to, let's see if I can find my brush. Here we go. I'm just gonna take this little e.l.f. crease brush here and just dampen that a little bit. And then use the brown bone shade, which is this pretty highlighter color. And then I'm gonna use that and highlight my inner corner. Oh yeah, that is so pretty. Oh no. I just tapped into the blue shade with that brush. The struggle is real, y'all. The struggle is real. Alrighty, let's try this again. Alrighty, now I'm going to take a fluffy dry brush, which is the same brush because I have multiples of these, and then just take that same shade and then highlight my brow bone. This shade is really pretty. It almost reminds me of the shade in my Jaclyn Hill palette. One of the highlighter shades in that palette. Alrighty, I am kind of pleasantly surprised on how this look turned out. Literally. And I'm going to then, let's see. If y'all watched this far into the video, you'll be laughing at my lights. Man, I can't decide on eyeliner. Okay. So the box also came with this gold eyeliner and then a green. This gold, y'all, look at that gold. That is so pretty. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some of this onto my eyes. I really hate putting eyeliner on camera because I just can't do it. I'm not very good. I have to have lots of concentration. The gold is like pigmented. Like pigmented. I am shooketh on how pigmented this is. Okay, I probably went out of camera there for a hot minute. Anyways, so this is the finished eye look. I hope you guys like it. So I am going to go ahead and try out one of these lip glosses. I think I will go with this one. If I can open it. Alrighty, we're getting there. Oh my gosh. Bridget, why didn't you prepare for this? Okay, so the name on this shade is called Featherless. It is this really pretty pinky, I would call it a pinky, I don't know, like a bubblegum pink. I don't think that's gonna go with my eye look today. Let's see. Wow. I don't know. This one is... Okay. We'll just go with Featherless because... I don't know. It's kind of... I don't know. The more it's on my skin, it almost looks like it's a peachy color. So, applying this, it then just kind of turns into like a nude, which I'm okay with. The texture is very sticky, but it's a gloss. I do really like this. I think the color's pretty. Yeah. I don't know. I really like how my eyes turned out. Anyways, that is the finished look for today. I really love these products. I highly would recommend going out and getting them if you don't want to purchase the whole entire collection, because yes, I know if you don't want to spend $35 on it, I get it. But I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. It's been an interesting one. I appreciate all you guys. Please leave me a comment below if you've tried any of these Wet n Wild products, if you are looking forward to getting any of the products from the line. I would love it, and I appreciate all of you guys. So y'all have a great day. Bye. Thanks for watching. So if you haven't subscribed already, then click the icon in the middle. Or if you want to watch another great video, then click the one on the left or the one on the right.